Are you sick of manually logging your Shopify sales into Google Sheets? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. To do this task, I want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with the Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I can say something like, log my Shopify sales onto Google Sheets, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I can just type right into Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Shopify. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my step. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Shopify, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If this is your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record, and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your Google account just like you did with your Shopify account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps field. Copilot will automatically fill out our spreadsheet details using our Shopify data. With that, I can also select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great! Let's check our Google Sheets account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a Shopify order is created, it will automatically be logged into my Google Sheets as well. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click on the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.